Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to set up context. But a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and then to think that it fought its way back up to that area. Yes, there's more work that needs to be done, but nice little movement here. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 338.50 mark. So why is 338.50 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as, again, 338.50. As far as levels of resistance, key level right now is all about that pink line there. It's on my chart to know. It's a very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. You can see that's essentially right where the price ultimately, stopped going up and then pulled back a little bit. Current value of that is, we'll just call it at 344.25. If that level can be broken, next key level then would be the purple line up there, the 50 period moving average currently valid at, we'll just call it 348.75. But all in all, nice bounce. Now it's just a question next week of, can the price continue to build upon the bounce? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.